08, good afternoon.
Roger from Beeline Papa Victor, request auto land approach onto runway 28 left, over.
Papa Victor, go for auto land approach, runway 28 left.
VOR, or VHF Omnidirectional Range, is a radio transmitting ground station that projects straight-line courses from the station in all directions. The VOR system is used in three different navigation aids or nav aids called the VOR, VOR-DME, and VORTAC. By itself, the VOR provides a magnetic bearing information to or from the ground station. VOR is also installed with DME or distance measuring equipment. VOR-DME refers to Combined Radio Navigation Station for aircraft, which consists of two radio beacons placed together, VOR and DME. VOR produces an angle between the station and the receiver in the aircraft, while DME does the same for range. For military tactical air navigation, the TACAN equipment is installed with a VOR and the nav aid is now called the VORTAC. A VORTAC is a radio-based navigational aid for aircraft pilots consisting of collocated VHF Omnidirectional Range VOR beacon and a tactical air navigation system TACAN beacon. DME is always a part of the VORTAC. The VOR indicator behaves the same regardless of what type of nav aid is utilized. VOR, VOR-DME, and VORTAC is all referred as VOR. The prefix omni means all, and an omnidirectional range is a VHF radio transmitting ground station that projects straight-line courses from the station in all directions. From a top view, it can be visualized as being similar to the spokes from the hub of a wheel. The distance VOR radials are projected depends upon the power output of the transmitter. The course or radials projected from the station are referenced to magnetic north. Therefore, a radial is defined as a line of magnetic bearing extending outward from the VOR station. Radials are identified by numbers beginning with 001, which is 1 degree east of magnetic north, and progress in sequence through all the degrees of a circle until reaching 360. To aid in orientation, a compass rose reference to magnetic north is superimposed on aeronautical charts at the station location. VOR ground stations transmit within a VHF frequency band of 108 to 117.95 MHz. Because the equipment is VHF, the signals transmitted are subject to line-of-sight restrictions. Therefore, its range varies in direct proportion to the altitude of the receiving equipment. Generally, the reception range of the signals at an altitude of 1,000 feet above the ground level is about 40 to 45 miles. This distance increases with altitude.